This is turning trash into treasure part 2. I found a log, I cut some slices in it, and then I found these top of this like fence post that I got. I actually got it for free when one of my neighbors put out a bunch of wood. It was all like chewed up from the dog, but I took a Dremel to it and kind of carved out the ears a little bit. And then I used my screwdriver and I screwed all of this together, and then I painted on some ears. And you could use any color that you wanted. I just used pink for this, and I made him a little eye, and then I came back and I put a little white spot on the eye. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and you will have more videos like this. I thought that this bunny turned out super cute, and I'm gonna also put a coat of polyurethane over top of it just to make sure it really is sturdy and holds up well outdoors. Same thing with this. I stained it first to make it this brown color after I screwed it all together. So this is what it looks like after everything was screwed together, and then this is what it looks like after it's stained. And here I am, I'm just putting on some finishing touches, some pink in the ears, and then this one is going to be a little boy bunny, and I give him a little button nose and a little mouth, some little dots for his whiskers, and then I gave him a bow tie instead of a bow in the hair. And this is how he turned out. He is super cute, and these decorations were virtually free.